Hi, my name is Anders and welcome to Ericsson studio in Stockholm, in Kista, and as you can see the spring is finally arriving in Sweden. Behind me I have the studio where we right now have around 150 participants just joining the Telenor Connexion Day, and in there we have enormous amounts of cool stuff going on. I want to show you some of the coolest demos right now, so follow me inside. So, this is Ericsson Studio. This is the area where I'm standing right now. We have presenter presenting the topics for 150 people. Right now they're all on a break, where they also have the opportunity to watch all the demos that we have. And that's where we're going right now. Imagine if you could precisely position someone with 10 centimeter or something. What value could that be? I'm quite curious. Can you tell me, if you can position that much, have you thought about some different places where it can really bring value?
Yes, of course. Basically, in our innovation here for precise location, we can have the same technology applied for mining, retail, and warehouses, manufacturing. We can trace in real time assets, workers, and for a different range of industries. And
there it is.
Here we have a tag, for example, that it was used actually for the Mobile World Congress right now, that where this was used in combination with the smart building. So we could track all the business builders from Ericsson within the Mobile World Congress.
So imagine if that, I heard someone say that the big challenging factors right now might not be just to connect. Of course they want to connect their robots, but also just where is the box, where is the stuff that I need to bring to the robot, and that could help that.
Absolutely. Think about if you are in a warehouse and you need to update where is basically your stuff. So we can do this automatically. So this is in particular used for automation in the process, not in warehouse, but also in your industry, in your pipeline.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yesterday I had a severe problem. I guess you all seen the same scenario. You come there, it's morning, the coffee machine is broken. How do you report that? Because that will not happen. Well, if there were a button, so you can call support immediately, you can fix it, but there were no button. But you're telling me that there are buttons on its way.
Exactly, there are buttons, and this is how the button will look like in the future, and it gives you exactly what you're asking for. There is a new breed of devices that will be the technology inside these buttons, and they are cheap. They are long-lasting, they have a very efficient battery behavior, and they receive very well the signal, so they have very good coverage, so you can plug in, even in the remotest corner to your coffee machine, that button. And this is how the button looks today. So we have one version, and we see that a possible support person is having his phone, and now we are trying to reach that person because the coffee machine is stuck, and that is very bad. So this very cheap device allows now to set up a call. You can answer the call, or
I can hear you.
Yeah, very good. I can hear you. I have a problem with the coffee machine. So and this is the way how you can set up on a very simple device, on a very cheap device, this kind of voice connections. You can plug those devices to any machine, to any vending machine, to any elevator, whatever you feel is appropriate. And the good thing about it is behind that there is a lot of capabilities based on the IoT accelerator, where you can provide a lot of sophisticated services on top of that voice call. So once you made the voice call and complained, then for sure you want the service technician to be on the site very quickly, and that is what we do also with the IoT service, with the IoT accelerator.
Okay, thank you so much. That was enlightening. Hi, I'm standing here next to a very confused factory worker, and I don't really understand. What can be the value for having this guy connected with something that looks like that?
Yeah.
What is
The value is it's a remote service application.
Yeah.
He doesn't know anything about the problem here's in front of him, and I'm on the back end, and I see everything what he sees, and I can guide him completely through service process.
For me, it's a way to get help. I might not be an expert, but I get expert help projected onto my screen, where people are, if it's a fire, what kind of tire I should change, or what circuit board. That could be projected onto my glasses as I am out there trying to solve problems.
So what do you see?
Right now, I see a picture of the mirror of that car showing me that one is supposed to be replaced. So I know exactly which one. And I might not have known that, but that could be sent from the back end towards me, and I do my job in a better way.
Good. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure guiding you through all these demonstrations, and I hope to see you soon on the next Ericsson Meetup. Bye.